Hello and welcome to my YouTube video. Please take some seat, grab something to eat क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक लंबा सा YouTube video है. This is a sit down YouTube video. I think you all will like. So to begin with आपने title पहले ही पढ़ लिया होगा. Affordable Meesho या Zudio नहीं Savannah भी है. So I have got some jewelry, cute jewelries from Pinteresty jewelries from Savannah, and all of these are here. I'll review them. Also, I've got some more things जो कि थोड़े थोड़े हैं which I like also. And some have good quality, some are okay. Honest review basically about the products. So let's get started in the video. Before that, I want to drink some water. Meanwhile, you guys like, share, and subscribe to the video. Like after watching, and subscribe also after watching the video, and spread the words. So yeah, I think to begin with, firstly I think I'll tell you कि I'll start with the products I did not like. So मैंने ये दो चीज़ें ली थी, मुझे काफ़ी ये पसंद था and this was amazing print, but somehow जब मैंने अपने क्वालिटी देखी तो मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगी. And I think थोड़ा thick material होता तो you like it, but it was very cheap. Price is somewhere on the screen, but not something which I liked. Then I think when I travel, I use this as my headband, but ये travel करते time it's not that good to use. So I have got something which I've kept in my makeup bag right the moment I got it क्योंकि मुझे ये काफ़ी पसंद आया and it's quite beautiful. So yeah, these are the two clips. These are actually very Pinteresty and very cute. You can apply these and do your makeup. A good alternative for these bands. At home you can use these bands and in general you can use these. So yeah, it's back in my makeup bag. Let's get started with our jewelry haul quickly. So I think I'll tell you the basics. So ये gold jewelry based है सारे, and I have only got rings and neck chains. No earrings I've got in this. So I'll quickly start with the ring part first. So I have like 3 sets of ring और ये 3 price points तो मैंने लिया हुआ है. Like one is 190, 290 and 390. 95 के भी थे, under 100 के भी prices products थे, but मैंने ऐसे ही start किया था. So first packet is these 3 rings. I'll wear and show you. Price भी दिखा देती हूँ. So this is first 190. 190 में सबसे क्यूट ये हैंड शेक करते हुआ हैंड बेसिकली हग करता हुआ रिंग है, which is very cute. You can gift it to your friends, and most importantly ये सारे adjustable हैं. So yeah, this is how it looks. You can gift it to your friends, girlfriends, or whomsoever you want to. And the quality is also good, and उतने heavy नहीं है. They are lightweight, easy to wear. Price point से भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. And also I got a discount. So ये पूरी jewelry was around 750ish सारे pieces मिला के. So yeah, it was quite a worth. That was the first thing. Second up, I will see कि ये कितने price का है. This is also a ring. Okay, this is the most expensive one. I think 390. तो 390 के साथ आपको एक पैकेट मिल जाएगा छोटा सा. Okay, they are actually heavy. I don't know, price तो ज़्यादा heavy, but yes, these are also geometrical rings which are adjustable, but एक इसमें से non-adjustable which I don't think so कि मेरे इतने काम आएगी, but I'll show you वैसे दिखता कैसा है. So this is how it looks, and you can wear this with anything bold, जो भी आपको लगता है कि plain dresses हैं can be accessorized. So you can wear it with these, and this was of 390. I won't say इतना सस्ता था, but you can see if you like it. The next up is of 290, okay, and these are with patterns. So this is one, and then this is काफ़ी heavy, and this is the second one, and of course we have the third one. So yeah, this is how it looks on me. Quite good. And the price is also nice. So yeah, I think you can also give it a try. So these were the 3 rings which I got from Savannah. Moving on to the next set, which is neck chains, and I have 4. So I'll start, and price of this was quite constant. I think 190 में सारे हैं. So I'll quickly show you. of 190 and this is so pretty. This is like so pretty and so Pinteresty. Bow मतलब I think सारे outfits के साथ जा सकता है. I think इस पे पहन सकते हैं. And I'm already wearing a gold, so I'm clearly obsessed with gold jewelries. But yeah, this is so pretty. Very cute stuff. And it is of 190. The next one is also of 190. और ये मैं एक्चुअल प्राइसेस बता रही हूँ. तो डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस अगर हैं तो मैं उनको स्क्रीन पे लगा दूँगी. You can go ahead and see. This is the second one. And ये काफ़ी ही pretty है, काफ़ी शाइन है इसमें. And the quality is really good. And ये double chained है. तो yeah, it can just elevate your outfit and your look like that. And then we have the third, not the last one, second last basically. It's also of 190. And oh, this is so pretty. I think every one of you might have seen this somewhere on your Instagram or Pinterest or somewhere, but this is so pretty. I know it's really good. And the quality is also very good. And it's 190, so why not? Last but not the least, I've got one more thing, and ये कितने का? It's of 290. It's a multi-purpose chain to be worn, so it's colorful. I saw the model wearing it like this, guys. So you can wear it in different patterns, different places as well. For example, like a neck chain, you can use it as a waist chain. Hands, maybe you can wear it. Yeah. Clearly, इस पे तो नहीं जा रहा, but you can wear it in multiple ways. अलग-अलग तरीके से you can style it. Quality काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. And हाथ में पहन सकते हैं. वेस्ट पे पहन सकते हैं, सर पे पहन सकते हैं, जहाँ भी आ जाए वहाँ पहन सकते हैं. सो या इट्स क्वाइट अ थिंग टू हैव इन अ वॉर्डरोब. सो pretty much ये था मेरा ज्वेलरी हॉल फ्रॉम Savannah. लेट मी नो इफ यू हैव परचेज फ्रॉम Savannah. हाउ वॉज योर एक्सपीरियंस मीशो एंड एनीवेयर एल्स में आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था. इफ यू वॉन्ट मी टू रिव्यू एनीथिंग एल्स, बट क्विकली आई शो यू 2 things which I got. So one is this, like this is a small cute Pinteresty claw clip which I got from Savannah. It's very cheap and it's very good quality. 2 t-shirts. I think oversized t-shirts is a thing now and everybody uses it. घर में पहन सकते हैं, बाहर पहन सकते हैं, walk पे पहन सकते हैं, movie पे पहन सकते हैं. तो I have one dark shade and this I think मैंने इसको 3-4 बार wash कर दिया, but the paint and nothing has been going out of place and it's really good. And then I have the second one जो कि light color में, and it's actually so pretty. Just look at it. एंड मटेरियल इन दोनों टी शर्ट्स का इतना ही थिक एंड अच्छा है कि वो कभी भी ख़राब नहीं हुआ, नो मैटर हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू वॉश इट. सो आई थिंक यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट टू वेयर एट होम, वॉच अ मूवी, गो फॉर अ वॉक, और एनी चिल डे एट ऑफिस. You can wear these oversized t-shirts and chill. So yeah, pretty much that is in my entire Savannah haul. Let me know if you like it, and do like, share and subscribe, and also comment if you like the video now. And let me know if you want to see more things. And yes, take care. See you. Bye bye.